जो लोग ईमान लाए और अमल नेक किए उनके लिए खुशहाली और उम्दा ठिकाना है.
What is the meaning of the verse حافظوا على الصلوات والصلاة الوسطى? That guard all of the prayers, especially the middle prayer. This verse is in Surah Al-Baqarah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, حافظوا على الصلوات. حافظوا على means to diligently maintain something. It basically conveys the meaning of ra'i, to look after something and to ensure that it is done well, it is done properly, and also that it is not wasted. So guarding the prayer means that a person ensures that he prays on time, first of all. Secondly, guarding the prayer means that a person makes sure that they pray consistently, that they're not skipping their prayers or missing their prayers deliberately or accidentally. And then thirdly, guarding the prayer also means that guarding your mind, your attention in the prayer. So to ensure that you are focused, to ensure that your heart is attentive. Guarding the prayer also means that you're performing the salah properly, that you're not being careless about your wudu or about your recitation or about your sajda or any parts of salah. And then finally, guarding the prayer also means that you protect the reward of your prayer. You make sure that you don't do things after salah that will waste the reward of your salah. So, حافظوا على الصلوات. Diligently maintain your prayers, and especially was-salatul wusta, the middle prayer. And the middle prayer refers to Salatul Asr. That pays special attention, that you make sure that you pray the salah on time, you pray it well, you pray it properly, and you don't follow it up with deeds that will waste the reward of that salah. In a hadith we learn, the Prophet ﷺ said that Allah the Exalted has made 5 prayers obligatory. If anyone performs wudu for them well, and then offers them at the right time, and observes perfectly their ruku' and also the submissiveness, the khushu' in them, then it is guaranteed that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will pardon him. And if a person does not do that, then there is no guarantee that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will pardon them. So if we want the forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then we have to guard our prayers. In another hadith, we learn that the Prophet ﷺ said that a person returns from performing their prayer while only a 10th part of it, or a 9th part of it, or an 8th of it, or a 7th, or a 6th, or a 5th, or a 3rd, or a half of it only is written for them. Meaning the reward for that salah is relative to the attentiveness and the focus with which a person has performed that prayer. How well did they guard that prayer? That is going to determine the level of reward that they will get. So حافظوا على الصلوات والصلاة الوسطى وقوموا لله قانتين, and all of you stand before Allah as devoutly obedient. Meaning stand before Allah like you are His servants. So stand with humility.